Guys, today in Shanghai, I'm using a Mixue model to trade for milk tea. Got a DM today saying be a man, go trade at Mixue in Shanghai. If you dare to go to Shanghai, I'll triple like your video. They actually want me to take the Mixue model there. Alright, let me find some footage of a Shanghai store. This mission is extremely tough. Hope you can tap that little heart to support me. Starting the modeling. I'm counting on you for this print job, my Bambu Lab PRS. If I don't come back from this, you gotta find a good new owner. It's only been 3 days, and it's already printed for 72 hours. Just one word, reliable. Check out these details. But anyway, Bambu Lab, if you're watching, pay up for this ad. Starting assembly. Generation 9 Study King. Destination, Shanghai. This is a one-way mission. Success or failure, everything changes. Hello, miss, what can I get for you to drink? Hi there. I'll have anything. It's just that, well, I don't have any money. Can I do a magic trick for you instead? A magic trick? A magic trick. Let me ask the boss. Sure. Is the boss here? Yeah, he is. Why are you acting so strange? What would you like to drink today? Hello, boss. Here's the thing. Can I get something to drink? Sure, you can. Here, I'll order that for you. But I have no money. I really don't have any money. But, can I do a magic trick for you? A guy this handsome can't be broke. I'll do a trick. A magic trick. Right, Mom, you'll love it. But you see, I'm quite busy here. Maybe let's just forget about it. If you're really broke, I'll buy you a drink. Okay. Alright. So, what would you like? Anything's fine. Lemonade, I guess. Oh, that fast? Yeah, okay, please, go ahead. Mom, okay. Okay, should I bag it for you? No, it's fine, boss. Yeah, so, I'll take the drink. But I must perform that magic trick for you. Don't worry, I'll definitely make you happy, okay? Can you give me a bag? Just need a prop. One of your bags here. Sure. Alright, good, okay, alright. Let's go take a look too. Oh. He's going to do a magic trick here. Mom. Okay, so, boss, this bag you gave me. See? Yes. I'll put it right here. Mom. What do you want? Then let's see what you can turn it into. Okay. How about this? I'll give it to you. How about turning it into your shop? Okay. You're just boasting. Okay, I'm putting this lemonade in there. Putting it in fresh and juicy. So, Nice. Okay. Then recite a spell. Twinkle, little star. Now the little star is ready. Behold, very curious. Might as well go visit. Wow, lemonade. Little miss, this is for you. Do you want it? Okay, I'll give you another one. Okay. Wow, here's one for you. Let me take a look. Mine is a bit small. It feels quite simple too. Boss, you hit the nail on the head. Behold. Yes, smells good. Wow. You can be bold. This can be very delicate. Awesome. Gotta go. Boss lady, this is for you, okay? Exchanging this for lemonade isn't a loss. Of course not. You should order another cup, right? This must cost you a lot. How did you do this? 3D printed. Have you heard of 3D printing? I've heard of it before, but I didn't expect it to be so delicate. First, model it, then print it, then assemble it. Inside, small details match the peripherals exactly. Yes, it took some effort. Not bad. How many points for this magic trick? Boss, it's a perfect 10. Thanks a lot. Sure. Let's go. Take some more. Thank you, boss. Thanks, boss. Okay, then I'll go first. Boss. Okay. Bye. I'll upload this model to Tutu's Mac Word community. Interested friends can download and print to try.